Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to cover the Krups Simply Brew to go. Okay, we're going to get straight into it as always. The Krups Simply Brew to go. And this is going to be a fairly quick video. This is a single serve coffee maker that just doesn't offer much in terms of features and options. There's no clock, there's no programmable timer, no brew strength control, none of that. Just basically you put the water in, you put the coffee grounds in, hit the start button, and it'll brew you a cup. There's a 12-ounce version and there's a newer 14-ounce version. This is the 12. And I paid $45.99 for this. And that's in mid-January 2023. That's the time of recording price. That's quite expensive considering the fact that you can't even use the Keurig K-Pods. This just takes regular coffee grounds. And it does come with this 12-ounce stainless steel thermos. It's pretty neat. We won't be using that for the demo. I'm going to be using this cup instead. And on the box, coincidentally, the cup that I'm using is very close to the one that you see in the box, or I should say on the box, but it doesn't come with this cup. This is my cup that I use. Let's flip the top. Very small area to work with. This is your reusable filter basket that it comes with. And the brew basket housing. It's removable for easy cleaning. I have a fairly small shower head and just a quick look inside. You'll notice a max line. I don't know how well you could see it. It's very dark. I'll do my best to try to show it. When you're filling it, don't go past that line. I want to give measurements real fast. It's exactly 12 inches high, 6 1/4 inches deep, and 5 inches wide. All right, now I'm going to show how to make a cup. First, we're going to pour the water in. Spilled a little on the side. Not a lot of room to pour the water. Get some fresh grounds. And I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of medium roast for the mug, for the 12 ounces. That's a 12-ounce mug too, by the way. During testing, I used 2. It came out a little weak, so I'm going to use 3 tablespoons. Close the lid. Oh, also, I forgot to mention, with the lid open, it's 12 inches high with the lid closed, 17 1/2 inches high with the lid open. Then I'll flip the power switch on the side of the unit on, and to start operation, just press the start button. Waiting for those last drops. It's pretty much done. So that took around 4 minutes. Let's do a temperature right here. I remember getting a good temperature. Get the focus. At least I thought I remembered getting a good temperature. It was at 155. Not even 160. The Keurig pushes 170. Auto drip machines around 160. Okay. It's not bad, but I thought I got a hotter cup during testing. 3 tablespoons was the trick, though. Looks like a stronger cup. Let's put the milk in to give you guys an idea of strength. Yeah, that's how I like it. Let's see. Much better. Yeah, because it was a little weak with the 2 tablespoons. That extra one made a big difference. Only thing is, I just realized this, using the cup makes a little bit of a mess. I guess that's why you would opt for the tumbler. But that's an acceptable cup, for sure. Temperature could be better though. That's my only complaint. And before I forget, just a quick safety tip. When you're done with the unit, don't forget to turn the power switch off. They also make mention of that in the manual. I'm going to take another sip and conclude the video. Okay. Well, that's going to be it, guys. I thank you for watching if you made it this far. I hope this video was interesting. I hope it was helpful for anyone who's considering getting this unit or just wants to compare it to something else. As always, please let me know what you think in the comments below. I love reading your feedback. Please like the video. Please subscribe. That definitely helps the channel out as a whole. And I will see you in my next one.